Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about tiny homes. Now, I know what you're thinking. Tiny home? You mean a glorified closet with Wi-Fi? But no, my friends, today's tiny homes are like luxury yachts on wheels, except without the ocean or the captain's hat. Case in point, the Ladybird, a 32-foot, 9.7-meter masterpiece that makes downsizing feel less like a midlife crisis and more like a genius financial decision your parents will still judge you for. Before we jump into the specs, though, let me remind you to subscribe to the channel. We talk about all things cool, weird, and occasionally impractical, so you won't want to miss out. Hit that button and let's roll. All right, back to Ladybird. Built by Decathlon Tiny Homes, this isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle statement. It's for people who want to downsize without feeling like they're in a 24/7 episode of Survivor. Based on the company's best-selling Poseidon model, Ladybird sits on a triple-axle travel trailer and stretches a spacious 32 feet, 9.7 meters. If you're worried about space, let me put it this way. This house has more storage than my entire apartment, and I don't even own a bed frame. Now let's talk about looks. The exterior is coated in what they call tantalizing teal, with brown accents and a metal roof, because nothing says luxury like a color that sounds like a craft cocktail. Inside, it's a different story. Fresh oak chevron vinyl flooring, lightly stained wooden ceilings, white shiplap walls, and accent walls in charcoal blue give it a cozy yet sophisticated feel. In other words, it looks like the dream home of someone who drinks oat milk lattes and says things like, "I just vibe with natural textures." The layout is pure efficiency. The living room sits at one end, while the main bedroom is at the other, with a full-size bathroom and laundry station in between. Yes, a full-size bathroom in a tiny home! That's like finding out your budget airline ticket includes legroom. The second bedroom is a lofted space, great for guests, or let's be honest, for storing the stuff you swore you wouldn't hoard in your tiny home. Now the kitchen is where things get serious. This isn't a microwave dinner on a folding table kind of setup. We're talking quartz countertops that mimic marble, a 2-burner induction cooktop, a multifunctional oven, microwave, air fryer, an oven all-in-one, a stainless steel apron sink with a filtered water tap, and a full-size stainless fridge with a freezer. Plus, soft-close cabinets and LED lighting. The bathroom is no joke either. There's a bidet toilet because you deserve better than scratchy toilet paper, an LED mirror medicine cabinet so you can admire your life choices, and a stacked washer and dryer because even tiny home people have laundry. The bedroom? Plenty of storage, dual wardrobes, drawers, and eventually a queen-size mattress. The living room is currently unfurnished, but the plan is to turn it into a home office. Imagine working from home in a place this stylish. Your Zoom background would finally match your LinkedIn aspirations. Climate control? Ladybird has 2 mini-split units for both air conditioning and heating. Hot water? On-demand water heater. Utilities? Standard RV-style hookups for water, electricity, and sewage. It's designed for full-time living, not just a weekend escape. Now, the big question, price. A standard Poseidon model starts at $112,750 United States dollars. But since Ladybird is custom built, the final price isn't listed. In summary, Ladybird is proof that tiny homes don't have to feel like punishment. It's spacious, stylish, and has all the comforts of a regular house, just without the mortgage that haunts you in your sleep. And if you want to know more, check out the link in the description because yes, there is one. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.